Greetings, Earthlings. Ludak here from the Daily Alien, your guide to the bizarre and forbidden. Today we're exposing 5 NASA photos that scream cover up. I hope you all have your permission slips signed because we're taking a little field trip. Today we're going to Mars. All right, everyone settle now. Jenkins, stop playing with that helmet visor. If you'll asphyxiate yourself, then I'll have to take you home as a desiccated husk. Good lord, the damn thing's smoking again. Bleep blop. Well, here we are on Mars orbit. These craft are amazingly quick, even if they are smoking. We were going to go down to the planet's surface, but since Jenkins keeps trying to break his visor, I don't believe I can trust any of you to survive the experience. Therefore, we're just going to review Earth Space Agency photos from here in orbit. What follows is absolutely real and either from NASA or the ESA. By way of an introduction to what shenanigans these charlatans at NASA get up to, let us observe this image from the Viking 2 lander as originally released. Then, thanks to a Freedom of Information request, we get the exact same image without the ridiculous orange filter. What are they trying to hide here? That Mars looks like Arizona? This giant pyramid-shaped structure on Mars was first spotted in NASA's Viking images in 1976. Coincidence or evidence of an ancient civilization? NASA says just a rock, but the symmetry says otherwise. In 1976, Viking 1 snapped this haunting image, the face on Mars. Oddly enough, it actually looks very similar to my Uncle Kleb before the transmogrifier accident. Wow, that's weird. It looks exactly like my Uncle Kleb after the accident. Anyway, NASA later released this enhanced photo, saying it's just a mesa. But why was the original image mysteriously suppressed for years? And how many mesas in nature have you seen that have straight edge lines and bull-nosed curves? If my math is correct, I believe your answer should be 0. This eerie image from NASA's Curiosity rover in 2022 shows what looks like a doorway carved into a Martian cliff. NASA calls it a fracture, but doesn't that perfect shape make you suspicious? And finally, move over, Egypt. The European Space Agency caught this sphinx-like structure on Mars. Is it natural? Probably. But why does it resemble ancient ruins found on Earth? So, my fellow seekers, what's the deal? Optical illusions? Pareidolia? Or evidence NASA doesn't want you to see? Drop a comment, subscribe to the Daily Alien, and stay weird.